In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of uploading samples from your UviTec field meter to the Liquid AI data management app running on a PC. Begin by connecting your UviTec field meter to your computer using the USB cable. Ensure the connection is secure. Once connected, power on your meter. On your computer, open the Liquid AI data management app and navigate to the Load or Swap Models selection. Next, go to the Preferences tab and choose the right COM port or USB port that corresponds to the connected meter. You should see a confirmation that the meter has been successfully connected. Now you can proceed to the Samples tab, then click Load Samples from Device, and then Load All Samples from Connected Device to import your data. You can choose specific samples if needed. Now that we have all our data points propagated, we can save all the measurements from the UviTec field meter to our laptop by selecting Export Selected Samples to File. So you must actually select all, so Control A, and save all the selected samples that you want to save. You can save it as anything you like, but it's recommended to save it under a sample location or parameter of interest name. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded and saved your field meter samples using the Liquid AI data management app.